Welcome to Bondi Beach this morning, and the sun is just coming up and the adventures are just beginning, so let's go.
And in the Ponca City Blackwell area, 68 degrees today.
Good morning, nomads, and welcome to Bondi Beach. Just east of Sydney, Australia is this beautiful coastal region, starting with Bondi all the way down to Coogee Beach. And later today I'm going to walk that whole path down there, which is supposed to be absolutely beautiful. But this morning I woke up early to try and catch the sunrise, and it's already starting to look way beautiful. Bondi Beach has this really nice pavilion with showers and bathrooms and lockers and even a theater, so a lot of things happen here in this building. One of the best lap pools in the world is Iceberg. This is a swim club and pool right on Bondi Beach, and it has really long lanes and it looks perfect. I wish this were my swimming pool. Yeah. Spending my morning exploring Bondi Beach a little, I'm gonna start on this Bondi Coogee walk, which goes down the eastern coast from Bondi Beach to Coogee Beach. And according to my Airbnb host, it's probably the best walk in Sydney, according to her. So I'm looking forward to the views, and the weather's good. It's not too sunny, so it's gonna be great. It was a cloudy morning, but the sun is just starting to come out now, and I'm just reaching Bondi Beach, which I'm told by my host, Airbnb host, that there's a really nice enclosed free pool here. You know, this walk kind of reminds me of walking around the wall in Dubrovnik, because you have these houses on the hill, just like King's Landing in Dubrovnik, and you have this beautiful water crashing up against the rocks. It's awesome. And about halfway down the walk, there's this beautiful cemetery right on the cliff's edge. I made it to Coogee Beach and there's a lot of people here and it's a beautiful day, and it was quite a long walk from Bondi to here along the walk, but it was really beautiful. So there are a lot of options for these natural baths that are just right on the ocean. But my Airbnb host recommended this one, Wylie Baths, which is right at the end of Coogee Beach, at the sort of the end of the Bondi Coogee walk. So I'm gonna give it a try. It's only $5.50 to get in and it doesn't look too crowded and it looks really nice. So the water's a little bit chilly when you first go in, but it gets comfortable very quickly, and it's such a beautiful day that the sun will warm you up if the water doesn't. That dip in the bath was very refreshing. It doesn't quite feel like being in the ocean, even though it's ocean water, just because the waves don't really hit you at all. They come over the edge of the pool, but by the time they get to you, they're nothing. So after my swim, I was pretty hungry, so I came to this place called a fish called Coogee and got some grilled seafood, including giant king prawn, scallops, and octopus. And the thing I'm most excited about is a giant prawn. I've never seen one this big. Well, that's it for Bondi to Coogee. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. And if you want to see more of my videos, I have a lot more Australia adventures coming up, so hit the bell to be notified when more videos are available. Until next time, bye!